Hello everyone, welcome to the presentation on what would happen if you didn't drink water. Honorable audience, I am Mohammad Shofiul Alam, founder and owner Learning and Earning Academy Bangladesh. And now today I am going to talk about something simple but extremely important, that is water. Did you know that about 60% of our body is made of water? Still, we often forget how important staying hydrated is. Let's explore what really happens if we didn't drink water. So, I would present what is the importance of water. Sequence. What would happen if you didn't drink water? I would like to present this presentation. The sequence is importance of water, water and body function, water happens without water, stage of dehydration, consequence, interesting fact. So at first I am present importance of water. Water is most essential for so many things in our body. At first, helps regulate body temperature. It helps control our body temperature, keeps our joint moving smoothly, delivers nutrients to our cells, and even helps remove waste and toxins. Without water, none of this would work properly. Now I describe water and body function. Our brain needs water to create hormone and signals. Our brain relies on water to produce hormones and neurotransmitters. Our kidneys and liver use water to flush out waste. It uses water to clean our body. Even our body cells cannot function properly without enough water. So, you see, water is needed in every part of our body. What happens without water? Dear audience, do you know what happens if you stop drinking water? On the first day, you feel thirsty and tired. You feel thirsty and energy drop. After 3 days, our brain slows down and we may get headache. That means by the 3 days, cognitive function decline, headaches appear. By the end of the week, that means after a week, organs, brains to shut down. It's really serious. Stage of hydration. There are different levels of hydration. Mild dehydration causes dry mouth, tiredness, and dizziness. Moderate dehydration leads to fast heartbeat, sunken eyes, and confusion. And finally, severe dehydration is very dangerous. It can cause organ failure of unconsciousness. Consequence: if someone doesn't drink water for too long, the body can be permanently damaged. That means lack of water affect all major organs. All major organs are affected, and yes, severe dehydration can even causes death. That's how important water is. Interesting fact. Here are some surprising facts about water. A human can survive for only about 7 days without water. That's how important it is. A baby body contains around 75% water, which shows how much water we are made of. Even losing just 1 to 2% of what our body water can affect how we think, remember things. Isn't that amazing? Why I choose the topic? I choose the topic because of we often take water for granted. We drink it every day, but we didn't always realize how important it is for our health. After watching the presentation, we learned many new things in a simple way. That's why I wanted to share this message with you to remind all of us to stay healthy by drinking enough water. Thank you for watching and listening. Now, if anyone has any question, please comment me. I would be happy to answer them. In a conclusion, water is not just a drink, it is life. For keeping our body temperature stable to helping our brain work properly. Water supports every part of our body. Without water, we simply cannot survive. I hope this presentation reminds you how important it is to stay hydrated every day. Thank you so much for listening to me with patience and interest. Let's all remember drink water, stay healthy, and take care of your body. Thanks and thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.